Monport's latest desktop CO2, the MEGA-S. Now with user-adjustable belts. An external Wi-Fi antenna and USB-C port on the left-hand side. Here is the touchscreen knob and the right side Y-axis belt adjustment. The standard emergency stop button is in the same location. Customers asked for an external air assist port. This was mostly due to issues with the rear panel smashing the small air lines, disallowing proper air flow to the laser head. All tubing have been nearly tripled in size. The exhaust is in the same location. However, the rear panel is now much easier to remove with only 3 screws. An all-new lid camera has higher resolution, and hosts dual LED lights on either side to help with camera glare. The MEGA-S also has a whole new laser system which allows more control over focusing and more refined power for smaller details during engraving. The end user now also has access for belt tension adjustments due to belt stretch over time. You also have access to replace the belts when needed, where the previous versions of the Mega were very difficult and disallowed most users from being able to do so. Another huge change is that the fire suppression was also removed. Using the external ports will allow forcing CO2 discharge out of these ports to help with fires. I would much rather have the original where it sprayed over the top of the workpiece, but I can see where they were going with this to allow more CO2 into the build area. This is the machine that we all should have received back in the fall of 2024 and spring of 2025. It is more powerful, more precise, and weighs less.